Spicy chicken fried. Welcome to my simple cooking channel. Today's recipe is my mother-in-law's favorite recipe, spicy chicken fried or chicken vurval. And the ingredients I'm using are 650 grams chicken pieces, 70 grams shallots sliced, 70 grams shallots smashed, 1 tablespoon garlic smashed, 1 lime, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 inches ginger sliced long, few curry leaves, 1 tablespoon Besan powder or Kadalah powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon fennel and poppy seed kas-kas mixed, half a teaspoon garam masala, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 star anise, 5 cloves, lastly 2 tablespoons soya sauce or ketchup. Method: add chicken into a pot, add little water, add salt and boil it. After a few minutes, add a little turmeric and chili powder to it and stir well. Wait for the chicken to cook. Now it is cooked, drain it and keep aside. Pour sufficient coconut oil into a pan. Need more oil as we are going to dry fry the chicken. Add spices and the fennel and poppy seeds. Add ginger sliced. Add shallots smashed and garlic smashed and salt. Add curry leaves, saute for a while. Now add the sliced shallots, saute again. Add chili and turmeric powder and the Besan powder or Kadalah powder. Saute nicely. Now add the cooked chicken. Saute it or stir it. Add pepper powder and garam masala. Add salt and add more coconut oil as we need to dry fry it. Now add the ketchup and squeeze the lime juice onto the chicken. Spicy chicken fried is ready to serve. If you like my channel, my cooking, please like it, subscribe and pass it on. Thank you very much. See you in my next recipe. Thank you. Bye.